everything this tournament stands for. A huge thank you to all our teams, of course, the volunteers, and also the wonderful audience for making this season 8 a truly special one. I would like to call upon Mr. Yusuf Radiowala first, Mr. Murtaza Bhai Sunrich. Can I have Mr. Sheikh Shabbir, Yusuf Bhai Shabbir? Shakir, sorry. Can I have Mr. Ali Asgar Giwala on the stage, Goodwill Developers? Can I have Mr. Murtaza Bhai Giwala? Can I have Mr. Shabbir Soni, please? Ali Asgar Patanwala from Easy Frames. Sheikh Akbar Ali Sadriwala. Shabbir Bhai Nalwala. And Mr. Salim Bhai Sheikh. We are honored to have our distinguished guest with us tonight. Joining us for the presentation ceremony, we would like to call upon Mr. Salim Bhai Sheikh first to give the memento to the 10 owners who participated and made this Aqua Premier League Season 8 a mega event. Firstly, I would like to invite Hussain Furniture from the Carby Force Chargers. Hussain Furniture Wala, Mr. Salim Bhai Sheikh, please. Can you give us the memento? Can I have Mr. Quresh Rupawala from the Ultimate Warriors? Can we have Fakhruddin Tarwala from the Blazing Bangers as Huzafa Sefi is not available? Can we have a member of LB Titans? Hussain RC is not available currently. Any member from the LB Titans? Baba, if you don't mind collecting another memento for the LB Titans, please. Can I have Mr. Hussain Kapadia from the Forever Phoenix? Ali Asgar Rangwala from the Vista Vikings. Can I have Mr. Adil Fateh from the Highlanders? Mr. Moyad Mithaiwala not available for the Shabbi Lions. Can I ask Abbas Soon to please collect on his behalf? His Burani teammate, of course. Can I have Mr. Ali Asgar Patanwala from the Easy Strikers to collect the memento? Musa Bhai, can you please come and collect it for the Easy Strikers? And of course the champions, I don't think Mr. Yusuf Pardawala is here. So can I have Mr. Hussain Saria from the Yuri Yoddhas to collect the memento? In fact, we have Hussain Kachwala to collect the memento here. And now we move to a very special recognition. Thank you, Mr. Salim, sir. Celebrating the elite performers who have crossed the remarkable milestone of 1,000 runs in Aqua Premier League. Firstly, we have Mr. Fakhruddin Tarwala. Can I have Mr. Shabbir Bhai Nalwala on stage, please? We have Mr. Huzafa Patel scoring 1,000 runs, but unfortunately he is not available. Can I call Mr. Ali Asgar Ranwala to collect on his behalf? And finally, more awards coming for this person, but correctly to collect only for 1,000 runs right now, Mr. Abbas Mandapwala. Wherever you are, please come on the stage. Can I have Abbas Mandapwala on stage, please? That's a huge achievement by all three batsmen. Scoring 1,000 runs is not so easy, of course. Thank you, Mr. Shabbir Bhai Nalwala. Now, can I have on stage Mr. Shabbir Soni to give the award for a standout achievement of the season? A player who lit up the tournament with a magnificent century, Mr. Huzaifa Kagal. The only century in the tournament and one of the fastest century, of course. Thank you, Shabbir Uncle. Can I have Mr. Sheikh Akbar Ali Bhai Sadriwala, please? Now we honor a phenomenal bowling performance, of course, a player who delivered a brilliant 5-wicket haul this season. In fact, we have two players. Firstly, I would like to call upon Hatim Ranji. The second player who took a 5-wicket haul, Hussain Katawala, unfortunately is not available here. Can I have Fakhruddin Tarwala once again to collect on his behalf, since this is your team Blazing Bangers? Thank you, Sheikh Akbar Ali Sadriwala. Now moving on to the grandest award of tonight. It's time for the award everyone waits for. The man of the match of APL Season 8 Grand Finale. A performance that rose above the pressure, defined the moment and took the game away. Incredible sixes, incredible fours. None other than Mr. Hojef Patel. Can I have Mr. Murtaza Bhai Sunridge to please give the award? Can I have Mr. Sefi Bhai Dahodwala on stage to give the award to Hojef Patel? Excellent player, one of the best all-rounders in the Dawoodi Bohra community. Hosef Bhai, can I have a quick word with you, please? A couple of questions, Hosef Bhai. Hosef Bhai, how proud are you of yourself?
बहुत प्राउड हो रहा है और ये टीम को ज़रूरी थी मैच जीतना और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इसलिए.
Hosef Bhai, आप आज जब सुबह उठे थे आपको लगा था कि आज आप मैन ऑफ द मैच लेके जाएंगे फाइनल्स में?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचा था. बस गेम टू गेम खेलना था, जैसी सिचुएशन थी ऐसे खेलना था और कुछ माइंड में नहीं था.
आपके हिसाब से आज की मैच का टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या था?
टर्निंग पॉइंट तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, लेकिन 1 ओवर वो भोपाली का आ गया, वो टर्निंग पॉइंट था.
वन फाइनल क्वेश्चन Hosef भाई, हम जानते हैं आप क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली, सो आप ये मैन ऑफ द मैच किसको डेडिकेट करना चाहेंगे?
माय सन मुस्तफा, I will dedicate to this award.
Lovely, Uzi bhai. Very well played, Uzi bhai. All of us are proud of you. Haan. And of course, there's one more thing, Uzi bhai. There are 2 tickets for Karbala, which has been given by the Aqua Premier League Season 8 to Uzi bhai Patel. Keep the applause going, guys. Now, can I have Mr. Ali Asgar Patanwala on stage, please? Next award celebrates the most consistent and dominant performer with the bat this season. Across 6 innings with a superb average. With an average of 68, strike rate of 126, he amassed an outstanding 271 runs. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the best batsman of Aqua Premier League Season 8, Mr. Abbas Mandapwala. Best batsman sponsored by the Easy Arts and Frames. Abbas will also receive 2 tickets from the Aqua Premier League Committee. Abbas, can I have a quick word with you, please? Congratulations, Abbas. So, Abbas, 6 innings, 270 runs. A consistency कहाँ से आवे Abbas?
It's always a great feeling to get this award, but at the same time, quite unlucky that I couldn't able to get my team through the finals. But it's okay. This is how life is, and this is how cricket.
Abbas, I wanted to ask you, every tournament, there's always one bowler who probably you feel is one of the quickest or maybe the toughest. Any one bowler from this season you think was the toughest?
I guess it's Huzawabhai Patel from Coimbatore.
And Abbas, I'll ask you the same question. I can see your daughter here. Would you like to dedicate this man of the match, the best batsman to her?
I'm dedicating this to her. Yeah, since she were born, the moment every moment is changes. I won the SBD10, then even the Aqua Premier League. I got the best batsman. So
Thank you so much, Abbas, and congratulations once again. Can I have Ali Asgar Patanwala once again? Now, the next award is for the tournament's most impactful bowler. 5 innings, 12 wickets, and an outstanding economy of 5.35. A spell breaker, a game changer, and the bowler every batsman worried about. Also, he is not just the best bowler of the tournament, but he is also the MVP of the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, the best bowler and the MVP for the first time in his life, Mr. Hatim Ranji. Man of the series, sponsored by AFT Solutions. So can I also have Hussain Kapadia on the stage to please give the award? And of course, 2 Karbala tickets for Mr. Hatim Ranji by Aqua Premier League. Now it's time for the runner-ups. The trophy sponsored by Shoaib Heptullah, Bohra Cricketers. I would now like to call upon every member of the Easy Strikers one by one to collect their medals from Mr. Murtaza Bhai from Goodwill. Sorry, Mr. Murtaza Ghi from Goodwill. Firstly, can I have on stage Hussain Sefi? Can I have on stage Hussain Sefi? Next up is Murtaza Bhai Patan. Murtaza Patan from the Easy Strikers. We have Hussain Neemachwala. Mohsin Pocketwala. A legend of the game, Mr. Anis Bhai Kachwala. Mr. Adam Lokhandwala. Mufaddal Bhopali. Ibrahim Neemachwala. Mustafa Morudwala. Dawood Dudiawala. Murtaza Shirazi. Mufaddal Ratlamwala. Tahir Gandhi. Ali Asgar Patanwala, of course the owner. Can you please collect a medal? Musa Bhai will collect the medal on Ali Bhai's behalf. And last but not the least, Mr. Hussain Raniwala, the captain of Easy Strikers. Hussain bhai, can I have a small word with you, please? Hussain bhai, firstly, congratulations on winning the runner-ups. So, just tell me what went wrong today.
Our fielding went wrong today, and we dropped many crucial catches at a crucial time. That's why we are in the losing side right now.
How proud are you of this team that brought you into the finals?
I'm very much proud of this team. It's a beautiful team. Every losing has learning, so we have to learn a lot about it. Thank you.
Okay, Hussain bhai, congratulations once again, and please collect the trophy and the check of 1,10,000. Can I have Mr. Murtaza bhai Kiwala, please? खोलो खोलो जल्दी खोलो कौन सी 4 टिकट है अभी ओनर की बची है ओनर की 2 बची है और कौन सी Now we have a special prize coming up. This is not the winning trophy yet. You guys will have to wait. Since the man of the series and the best bowler was same, of course, we have 4 tickets from the Aqua Premier League. Of course, sponsored by the Aqua Premier League. This is for the Dawoodi Mohalla members who weren't able to go for Karbala. And the 4 lucky members are Mr. Ali Asgar Electric. Please come on stage, Mr. Ali Bhai. Mr. Dawood Dudiawala. Mr. Isa Lokhandwala, I don't think we have him. And Huzafa Bhopalwala, I don't think we have him as well. Can I have Mr. Munna uncle, can you please come and click a picture with them? Janab Sheikh Yusuf Bhai Shakir, please. Mubarak Dawood Bhai and Ali Bhai. It is time for the champions to be crowned. I would now like to call the finalist team on stage. Of course, one by one we'll have the Yuri Yodha players. Can I have Sheikh Yusuf Bhai Sahab Shakir on stage, please, to give the medals to the Yuri Yodhas Firstly, can I have Mr. Joseph Patel himself? Mr. Hussain Kachwala. Hussain Contractor. Another legend from Ahmedabad, Mr. Quresh Bhai Rangwala. Mufaddal Zaveri. Abdul Qadir Zariwala. Mustafa Sadikot. Mr. Ibrahim from Kota. Mr. Hassan Ali Tilawadwala. Mr. Hussain Barwawala. Hassan Bhavnagarwala. Mohammad Nasikwala. It's time to call upon the legend of Aqua Premier League, Mr. Shabbir Chechatwala. Shabbir Chechat collecting his 100th final trophy and medal today. One of the legends, undoubtedly a legend of Aqua Premier League. And last but not the least, the captain of Yuri Yoddhas, Hussain Saria. A winning amount of 2,21,000 and 2 Kun Safar tickets for the owner, Yusuf Pardawala. Hussain Bhai, can I have a quick word with you before you collect your trophy from Sheikh Yusuf Bhai Shakir? Hussain Bhai, looking back at tonight's final, what was that one moment where you felt, yes, this is our game?
I think that moment never came until the second last over of the game, where Joseph Bhai Patel just hit few sixes and fours. But we never gave up. There's one quote that I had given to my team: never say over till it's over. and that's what they did. They believed in themselves and they took it till the last over.
Throughout the season, I think your boys have performed perfectly all right, I feel. So what does this title mean to the team and you as a captain?
As a captain, I always dreamt, as I told them in the starting of the tournament, that I want to win the trophy this year. But as a team, I think everyone deserves this trophy because everyone has contributed in small parts of the game, in different stages of the game. So I think more than me, I think the team deserves the trophy more.
One final question, Hussain Bhai. Who's going to celebrate the hardest tonight out of these 13 players? And who do you think you will have to control?
I think I can't name one player. It's the whole 13, 14 players that are there in the group. We'll definitely celebrate hard tonight. This one's for Yuri.
Okay. I still have one question from you requested by Mr. Shabbir Bhai Soni. In one word, describe Shabbir Chetaswala's career in Aqua Premier League.
He's a lucky mascot for any team. So I think in the next auction, everyone must go and buy for him.
Congratulations, Yuri. Can I have Mr. Sheikh Yusuf Bhai Shakir to give the trophy to the Yuri Yodhas, please? Can I have all the Yuri Yodhas member on stage once Hussain Bhai collects the trophy? That's a dull celebration. Come on, Yuri Yodhas. Chalo, Yuri boys, give us some celebration here. Come on, Yuri boys. That's it from the presentation ceremony of Aqua Premier League.
You're really entertaining. Thank you.
That's it then from the presentation ceremony from the Aqua Premier League Season 8. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our sponsors whose constant support and trust helped elevate this league year after year. Thank you for being an integral part of the APL family, and of course the players and the audience. We thank you very much, and we will be back in the Aqua Premier League